morning. It is 6:30 and it is time to make breakfast. I think I'm gonna make eggs on English muffin, shredded cheese on top, and then pair it with some fresh raspberries. Make something to eat. It is now at 9:15 and I've sat down with my cup of coffee. You know the routine. Now it's time for some computer work. Went on a morning walk. It was nice and cold and brisk. Honestly, I really despise the darkness in the morning in the fall, but I do love how cold it is because it just wakes me up and it feels like it sets a good feeling for the day. So I went on a morning walk, then I went to the grocery store, picked up ingredients for recipe testing today, and then I also have dinner with some friends tonight. Then I went back, got ready, made my coffee, gonna sit down. I'm going to edit a YouTube video that's gonna go up this Saturday. Do a bunch of voiceovers, which I hate. I really hate filming voiceovers because it just takes so long and I just always feel awkward. So gonna do that. What else? I need to plan out some November recipes. I need to come up with a concept idea for a brand partnership, and then we will have therapy, and then we'll do more computer work, and then we'll go on to recipe testing. Just got done with my therapy appointment. Now it's time to make some lunch. So I meal prepped this delicious sausage and zucchini skillet. I used the recipe from Rachel Good Eats. It's so delicious. So I'm gonna have that with some brown rice, top it with some cottage cheese. So let's make something to eat. I got done with recipe testing 30 minutes ago. I tested pumpkin sticky toffee banana bread. It's seriously insane. I can't get over it. And then I did chocolate chip banana breakfast cookies. Right now I'm making chili. It's in the back, just simmering away. I'm having friends over for book club tonight, so I'm making my favorite sweet potato beef chili. It is such a yummy recipe. I'm so excited. It is on my blog and I'll link below, but I'm gonna go ahead and make that. It'll take a couple hours to simmer, and then I'll enjoy that with some friends.